Hi, I'm Bill with an honest review and up-close look at this beautiful safe from Winchester, the model TS 2645. The 26 stands for 26 gun capacity, but whether you are storing and protecting firearms or family heirlooms, this beautiful safe is packed full of features both on the outside and inside. So let's take a closer look. This particular model weighs in at about 363 pounds when empty. It's 57 inches tall by 28 inches wide by 20 inches deep and has a fireproof rating of up to 45 minutes at 1400 degrees. It's really sturdy, really solid, and the setup is next to nothing. You'll put a little bit of glue on the handles and screw them in, and then they are in pretty much forever. And resetting the default combination literally takes less than 30 seconds. It couldn't be much easier. There's also a backup key provided so that you'll never get locked out because that remote entry system does work on a 9-volt battery. Once you open up the door, inside space galore with convenience and customizability in the form of padded shelving that can be placed wherever you want it using the insert brackets that go along the tracks inside the safe. This Winchester safe is truly a great place to store the things that matter most to you.